HogOn horizontal welding skid. This is the horizontal welding skid layout, and majority of people are familiar with the vertical one that's on my page right now. I wanted to have two options, and to me this is more of an option for the everyday repair, because you don't have to work from the rear. You can work from the side. So some mobile repairs, they like to work from the side. Commercial like to work from the side. Pipe welders like to work from the side when they're driving down to do the piping or whatnot. So it all depends on how you got your setup. If your toolbox is at the front, at the front or at the rear, so everybody got different setups. But this setup right here can most definitely help you kill a couple birds in one stone. You can pick it up with a crane or with a forklift. I made it to have 3 different bottles that can be able to be shipped with it. The other bottle is for when I TIG. It's an argon bottle. So you can have it however you want to set up. These are my homemade reels that I made out of air hose reels, out of 3/8 air hose reels. And they work excellent. Like I said, I made the pole for them, the full setup, and they work good, man. And instead of, I didn't want to buy the real setup when I'm a fabricator and welder. I'm just gonna make something that I like. So I did my own thing, and like I say, everything is working properly. I don't have any issues, and I try to keep a fire extinguisher on the unit, and it's just for the welder itself. It's not for the jobs I do. Normally I keep a 5-pound bottle of a fire extinguisher with me. So this is my setup. Like I say, it's nothing that you can't do on your own. Like I say, I built this so that way, if you want to buy the DIY kit, you can put it together. If you want to buy the prints, you can put it together. If you want to buy the whole unit, I have it assembled for you. So I try to make it where I can be able to fit everybody's budget. Everybody's budget is different. Everybody wants something different. So this is the deluxe model version, which is actually the gold package because I got everything on it. But if it didn't have all the stuff on it, it'll just be considered as the deluxe package. So I'm trying to think outside the box, man. I want to build a product for welders, by welders, something that was created by me. I'm a field welder, so I wanted to help the market. I wanted to help the welders stay equipped, stay independent, stay mobile, organized, and safe. So that was the reason for me designing this welding skid, and it's killing a few birds with one stone with me. So I love it. Be able to put it in my truck. I can take it out, still use my truck for personal uses and for business. So it's a great way to kill a few birds with one stone. I appreciate for y'all checking in. Hold on.